Good day, everyone. So basically, I'm going to be in a short video of things we have actually treated. So one of the first things we actually treated yesterday was how to move around your table if you have a table with data, easily move around. And one of the shortcuts we actually played with was, so say you want to move to your extreme left, and you don't want to have to be pressing your arrow button. So what you can do is whichever place you want to move, so you have up, down, left, right. So let's say you want to go to your extreme bottom of the table. Instead of you having to press the arrow button down or having to draw your scroll button, so this is your scroll bar down, so you could do control and down, control up, control. So you want to go to your extreme left, control left, control down, control right, control up, control down. So you could press the control button, then your arrow key, and it enables you move. Let's say you want to highlight certain cells that you want to use. Let's say you want to highlight all the cells on the header. These are the headers, you understand, like the name of the columns. It looks like the name of the column, so these are the headers. So you could do shift and press the place you want to highlight. So I want to highlight everything on my left, so shift. You can either move one by one until when you've gotten there, or you can decide to press shift control, then where you want to highlight, and you see automatically it highlight. Or we can say, let's say you want to highlight the whole column, shift control down. um then let's say you want to highlight everything. After you've pressed down shift control, then your side, you see you've highlighted all the table here, and you could do whatever it is you want to do. Or let's say you want to highlight certain cells. Say for instance, I want to highlight certain cells at random. So you can custom highlight them by pressing control, then you click on the cell you want to highlight, then you press control, you hold your control down, and you now press. You can see it's highlighting them. So this is like a custom highlight, and you can use this for custom summing specific attributes you want to actually um, highlight. I can decide to say, okay, these are the things I want to copy. I'll press Control C. So it's saying um multiple highlight is not working. Okay, I think this doesn't work like this, but you can use them differently for whatever it is you want to use it for. And that is for highlighting. Let's see, I am down here. And I want to go back to my first page. I'll just want to go to my um the first cell. What I can do is, on your keyboard you press Control Home, and it takes me to the first cell, which is cell A1. You understand? That's that for quick movement. Thank you very much. um I'll see you in the next short video.